This morning's veterans and active military members can get back to work. The Army and National Guard are bringing a job and resource fair right here to Bakersfield.
23 ABC's Imani Stevens is live at the Kern County Fairgrounds, and she's sharing more on what kind of jobs they're offering. Imani?
Good morning, everyone. Today, veterans and active military can take advantage of a job and resource fair at the Kern County Fairgrounds. I'm here with Sergeant Mario Lopez. Good morning.
Thank you.
And today, what can people expect if they want to come out here today? Because it's not only for veterans and active military, it's also for their dependents.
That's correct. We're going to have about 35 employers here, and what we ask the general public is to make sure that you're part of a veteran organization or veteran, military dependents are also welcome. This is just to ensure that we take care of our veteran community here in town. I noticed that a lot of the job fairs are more catered towards the general public, but this one is more for the veterans and active duty personnel.
And what are some of the employers that will be out here today?
Some of the employers that are going to be out here today are going to be like Era Energy, PCL, Chevron, some of the major players within our community.
And what should those seeking a job bring with them?
Obviously dress for success. Make sure you guys bring plenty of resumes, and this is going to be a much better event compared to previously, because building one of the Kern County Fair is actually a pretty good size building, so they're going to have a little bit more time to talk with a lot of the employers that have certain things that they're trying to ask, so it's going to be a good event for them.
And with 35 employers out here today, what impact do you think this will have on the veteran community?
Well, I think it's just to provide them with better resources that they probably didn't know about. The reason why we started this job fair is for my soldiers. A lot of them were underemployed or didn't have a job, so we created this for them. And now I'm actually extending it to the veteran community here in town.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. So you heard that 35 employers will be out here at the Kern County Fairgrounds, Building 1. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. again at the Kern County Fairgrounds. It's a free event, veterans, active military, as well as your dependents. Live at the Kern County Fairgrounds, I'm Imani Stevens, 23 ABC, connecting you.